good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to the LaShaun channel. In today's video, guys, I am going to be sharing with you my Saturday swap. What I'm going to have in my bag for the weekend. I'm not sure what bag is going to be at this moment because I have to go get dressed. I am doing a picnic this weekend and also brunch tomorrow on Sunday. So in a minute, I'm going to share with you guys what I pick out for my weekend bag. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to the LaShaun channel. Join the family. If you're returning, welcome back, baby. All right, guys. So let's jump into the video. All right, guys. So I wasn't sure which purse I was going to wear today. I really love this cute little vanity bag that I got from Shein. Just a real cute little inexpensive vanity bag. She is a little worn because she's been thrown around in the closet, and I wore her to death about a year ago. So yeah, she's a little worn, but still functional and cute. So I was debating, was I gonna wear her because I'm going to a picnic in a few minutes. So I decided not to wear her. And let me share with you, because normally I do a small bag. But, so instead, I decided to go with this inspired piece of the Neo Noe. Now, I picked her up from the fence. You know, if you guys know, you know. And I was not satisfied with this. You know, I'm all for a good replica piece or whatever, but sometimes you get a hold of one that just looks absolutely a mess. And to me, in my opinion, it looks absolutely a mess. So with that being said, I am going to a little small function at a park. And it's just a little picnic for some kids. So I'm going to throw her on because it's going to be in the grass and all of that. So that's the only place it deserves to be, okay? And I keep it 100 on this channel. So I decided to go with this bag. You've seen one Neo Noe, you've seen them all. This is the inside of it. It's supposed to, I thought it would be a brighter pink, but it's more of a mauve pink. Also, it has a zip compartment inside. And this is not a bag review, first of all, but let me do say that sometimes you can get some stuff that is not worth the paper is printed on, and this was one of those items. So let me share with you what I'm going to put in her. Now, I don't know if you guys remember last week, I had a pink jelly bag. Everything that was in that pink jelly bag is going to go in here. So, with that being said, I am going to take a big bottle of Tylenol. Oops. A big bottle of Tylenol with me because I am getting a headache. So, that whole big old bottle is going in there. Also, I need a comb. So, my hair is going to be wrapped. I have to unwrap it. Also, guys, I have the Victoria's Secret Pomegranate and Lotus Lotion. I just hauled this. So I just used it this morning. I like it. So I'm going to take this with me as well. So I'm going to stick that down in there. Then also from that other bag, I have this clear pink bag with all of my necessary stuff in it. Really quickly, I have my stylus in here. Oops, I'm not going to take it out because it's going to be a mess. But anyway, I have my stylus in here, another lotion. I have some Band-Aids in case of emergency. I have my floss. Duh, I'm going to a picnic. I have my comb in here, a flashlight, some hand sanitizer, which reminds me, speaking of hand sanitizer, this was my makeup bag. Hold on, there is a lip gloss. Here is my favorite NYX lip gloss. I'm going to keep this out because I want this to go in there, but I don't want to use the makeup bag. It is my little swan that I wanted to come off of there. And as you can see, it has the Dollar Tree lip gloss on it. So that's what I wanted from that. So I am going to pin her on the side of this bag. Okay, so I finally got her off camera on the bag. The next thing I want to carry with me, even though I have my stylus, I also needed an ink pen to carry with me, so I'm gonna stick that in there. Then next, I have another pink bag from last week, which has a charger, an ink pen, Tom Ford's Lost Cherry, and the atomizer, my pain pills, which are ibuprofen and gabapentin, and then I have my sanitary stuff in here. So I am going to stick that in there as well. And as you can see, that bag is bending and twisting and turning. Also, I have a mask from Victoria's Secret, which I'm going to go ahead and take this out the bag. This, I don't need to carry a whole big bag with me. I forgot to show you this on the haul, but I mean, it's just a mask. So yeah, I'm going to take this Victoria's Secret mask, and I'm going to stick that down in there. Okay, and what else? I am also going to take my Tom Ford Soleil Blanc. That's going with me. Also, I'm going to be taking my eyeglasses. Now, these are my real eyeglasses that I'm going to be taking. So, they're going to go down in there as well. And then, I have these two lip, this is my, you guys know that this is my favorite lip gloss, and this is a lip oil that I absolutely love that I got from Dollar Tree. I use this so much I had to go buy 3 more. So I'm gonna put this down in the middle so they are not swimming around just idly through the purse. And then I have this Victoria's Secret pouch, and in it I'm gonna put my gum in there, and also I have like $40 that I want to put in there as well. I got this from Poshmark, y'all. But yeah, this is the last thing that's going down in this bag, and that's it. And that's it. I'm done filling up this bag. It's not a lot of stuff inside this bag, as you can see, guys. I just have my pertinent essentials inside of her, and that's it. That's enough. So we're just gonna close her up, and that's it. I have my little girl on the side, and we are ready to go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you guys. I'm going to run out of here and go to the picnic. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and subscribe to the LaShaun channel. To everybody else, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video on Monday. Bye, guys. Thank you.